We're going to do code clearing on the Alfa Romeo. This is the Giulia 2.0 liter, but we're going to do code clearing after a battery disconnect and reconnect. So whether it's from a dead battery or just replacing the battery or doing work on the car and had to disconnect the battery, whatever. But when you put the battery back on, you will notice several errors. You'll get steering, electronic throttle control, etc., etc. And I've done the whole doing circles in the parking lot and driven the car now for 10 miles, and they do not always go out so easily. However, there is an easy trick that all the technicians will teach you, which is to do the on-off for the accessories, and we'll do that in a second and show you how it works like a charm. As you can see, just driving around the car may take a while. So this is a way that is much quicker and more reliable to work. Okay, we are stopped, and like we said, none of the driving around or anything cleared the code. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the engine off, and we're going to turn it into accessory mode and off, accessory mode, off, accessory mode number 3, off, accessory mode 4, off, accessory mode 5, off, accessory mode 6, off, accessory mode 7, off, and we'll just start it back up. And we'll just do the steering wheel full left, full right, and looky, all codes easily cleared. Very quick, very easy, works every time.